AfroCentric. Black-owned diversified investment holding company, yes, but its major investment is in healthcare administrator Medscheme. It hoovered up all the other shareholders. AfroCentric itself, though, was founded by Motti Sachs, Brian Joffe of Bidvest, and Maya Khan, the previous CEO of SAB, and they just figured it would be a fun project for their, sort of after-hours, post-retirement fun and games. Market cap of 1 billion rand, price-to-earnings ratio of 8, dividend yield of 3.4. It's got two classes of stock, so it's a slightly tricky one. It's got pref shares and the ordinaries, but overall, Medscheme seems to be a good business, so a good one to have in there.
It is a good business. It's making good money. They purchased Jasco Holdings, which is electronics.
Yes, so those are the other things that they've got in AfroCentric.
Which has been quite poor. And then also they had the pref shares are actually getting paid in October. Okay. And you can see that there's been a slight
paid and converted into ordinaries.
So they're going to be converted into orders. So we're going to have extra stock coming into the market.
Okay.
As well as they've had some, when they took out some of these medical aid schemes, etc., they had performance criteria, which has now been met, and they have to pay out these extra shares to the market, to the shareholders of that
of those schemes. Businesses that they acquired.
So there's going to be another flow of stock coming into the market. So we see that it's come down quite a bit from
somewhere around here. It paid quite a chunky dividend as well, though.
Yeah, it did pay a good dividend, but it hasn't really got off its feet because people haven't known how they're going to pay for the preference shares or convert them. So there's been a lot of noise around the stock. But long term, they're currently managing the government pension fund. Not pension fund, medical fund.
Yeah, the GEMS thing.
The GEMS.
So Medscheme provides that service on an outsourced basis to administer all these state schemes and other schemes.
Yes, and obviously 100% black owned on the medical side. So if there is a national health in South Africa, this is the go-to place. So I think it's a long-term equity hold. And we'll see what happens once all of this new stock enters the market, if it consolidates and then starts to move forward.
Okay, good. So it's got a good story there. It's in the right industry and it's one to watch. Perhaps a little bit tricky to put all together and understand right now, but as far as hot or not?
I'm going to call it hot, but it's a long-term investment. That
for the cautious, longer-term minded person.
Yes.
And
so it's
would be advisable
trade.
to really do a little bit of work, maybe study the annual report, get into the detail.
Wait for the unbundling of the preference shares in October, November.
Full conversion, so you can see the full diluted capital structure of the business and ascertain the earnings level.